The school certificate of appreciation. This is to proudly recognize and appreciate the remarkable leadership potential and dedication. The responsibility are highly valued. We believe you will serve as an inspiring role model and contribute positively to your house and the entire school community. Data issue 2082-0126. Principal, signed by our respected principal sir. I would like to request our principal sir to hand over this certificate of appreciation to the elected Grow House captain, Ms. Rispa Thapa. I would like to request our Montessori in charge and primary level in charge, both the teachers, to handle. Will be working hand in hand with the house captain, Ms. Rispa Thapa. The installing ceremony for Grow House captain and vice. Please give round of applause to Mr. Gustav Biswas, nominated as Games and Sports Captain of our school. Call the name, nominative name. As nominated as the school captain for the year 2000.
As the school captain of Mount Annapurna Secondary School.
As the school captain of Mount Annapurna Secondary School.
Do solemnly swear that.
Do solemnly swear that.
I will carry out my duties.
I will carry out my duties.
With honesty.
Honesty.
Integrity and dedication.
Integrity and dedication.
I will be a role model.
I will be a role model.
In discipline. Now say house. Do solemnly promise that I will leave my house with